We are so excited. We are escaping Toronto this weekend and we're doing something I've always wanted to do. We're going whitewater rafting. I've wanted to do this since I was a kid. Having to go all the way to Foresters Falls, which is just outside the Ottawa area. Going to a place called Wilderness Tourist. So it's actually this whole package you can buy for the weekend. And you get to go do the whitewater rafting, all the food's provided. They have a big bonfire and like social areas around the campsite. So it's gonna be a nice little retreat, something I've always wanted to do, and we're just like so excited to get there.
And it doesn't even matter to me where I go. I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
After a very long drive from Toronto due to road closures and construction, we finally made it. We quickly checked in so we could meet up with the birthday girl Shannon, and then we realized just then how beautiful the camp was, but we didn't really have much time to explore today because we had to get up bright and early to start our rafting experience in the morning. Bright and early at 6:30 a.m. we get geared up, take our bus, and hit the rapids right away. And I'm so excited but so nervous at the same time.
Second gear!
After a few rapids, it's time for a quick snack break. We had such a big group celebrating our bestie's birthday that we had 2 boatfuls, so we were lucky enough to watch them go down a couple rapids during our break and show them some enthusiasm when they arrived back at the break shelter. After many hours on the raft, we were provided a complimentary adult beverage, which was just perfect to quench our thirst after a day in the sun, and had a cafeteria-style lunch. Before diving into our afternoon beach activities, I did want to show you guys around camp a little bit. We stayed in one of the hostels, which is very basic, but it's comfortable to have a roof over your head. These rooms are attached by a big deck with the other hostel rooms, and is really close to the waterfront, which was nice. The waterfront is where they have a working sauna, the beach volleyball courts, and some cornhole. You also have the option to stay in glamping tents, cedar cabins, or simply just tent camp. And now it's time to have some fun.
Should we go in here?
Playing no games. Don't you know that kind of love? Let's go down and play. Oh, we should really leave this one alone, but it keeps coming back, coming back, coming back. Two lovers on the floor, bandit on the store. Two lovers, one more.
After celebrating the birthday girl to the fullest and winning a few rounds of cornhole, it was time to put the camera down and really immerse myself in being surrounded by the best people.
Love is for no one. Love is a blind man.